Apoptosis, often referred to as programmed cell death, is a vital process where cells self-destruct for the organism's benefit. This intricate mechanism involves a cascade of biochemical events leading to distinct cellular changes, such as cell shrinkage, DNA fragmentation, and the formation of apoptotic bodies. These transformations ensure that cells are efficiently and safely removed, maintaining the organism's overall health and functionality. Apoptosis plays a pivotal role in both development and homeostasis. During embryonic development, it shapes organs and body parts, such as fingers and toes. It also maintains balance by eliminating unnecessary or harmful cells, crucially preventing cancer by removing cells with damaged DNA. However, when apoptosis fails, it can lead to diseases like cancer or autoimmune disorders, highlighting the delicate balance of life and death within our bodies. Apoptosis offers significant evolutionary advantages. By eliminating cells that are no longer beneficial or potentially harmful, it enhances an organism's survival and reproductive success. This mechanism has been conserved through evolution, underscoring its essential role in the life cycle of multicellular life. Ultimately, apoptosis is not merely about death, but about life, renewal, and the greater good of the species.